Hello, and thank you in advance for your interest in Citizens Market. What I'm going to be doing today is just showing you a little bit of mobile software that we've been developing, and it's actually pretty simple stuff, but I think that it conveys the basic idea of what we're trying to do here at Citizens Market pretty well. So, here I have a picture of a typical situation. You've got a product in your hand at the grocery store, and just keep in mind this is just for purposes of demonstration. This product, Citizens Market has no official position on this particular product or its manufacturer. But you've got a product in your hand, and you'd like to know whether or not, if you buy this thing, you're going to be harming the world or helping the world in some way, or maybe you just want to know something about the manufacturer of the product that they have not chosen to put on the label. So generally, you go to the grocery store, you get information that people want you to see, but you may want to use other information to make your shopping decisions. So Citizens Market is here to help you make those decisions and help you get that information right here in the palm of your hand. So that's where this comes in. You pull out your trusty little iPhone, pop open Safari, and let's see, I don't want to look at this on localhost. I'm going to go to the staging server here. Oh, there we go. So this software is not yet live, but as soon as it loads up, there we are. What you can see is we've given you a place to punch in a barcode number. So from right here, I'm hoping you can see my mouse. Down here you start at the leftmost number, and you punch that in, so that's 89220251114, and obviously this will be a little bit easier with your finger than using the mouse to punch in this keypad. Just hit look up, and within seconds we will deliver you as much information as we have on the company. So in this case, this is a mock-up, so I just picked the company Chevron. It actually has nothing to do with this package of shrimp here. No matter what barcode you type in currently, it'll always show you our information on Chevron. And we've got numerical scores for how the company does on all these different issues. If you scroll down, we've got some basic data on the company, like a description. Most likely we pulled this text from Wikipedia. However, if you enter companies into our database, you can put in whatever you want for the description. It's all user editable, all this information. This is everything that our community has come up with on that company. It's not much for now, but our database is always growing, and we will always do our best to give you whatever information we can. You'll be able to see a list of brands, so you can tell that if you decide you do like this company or you don't, you can see that list of brands, and that will allow you to spot them on the shelf and avoid them, or maybe be more in favor of buying those things. Yeah, eventually that last step will have an automated barcode scan, but we just haven't set that up yet. Anyway, I hope that's been kind of informative. Oh, well, I could also show you you can also read the reviews that we have on our website. Other shoppers just like you, anytime you find out any piece of information, it looks like we have more reviews than we did last time I checked. Last time I checked, we only had 5 reviews. Oh, look at this. This is like debugging stuff that we've got on our staging server. A lot of this stuff is not the real stuff, but here's some examples of real reviews. This review is part of a series of reviews that I'm submitting about various companies' lobbying expenditures, blah, 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 blah. If you want to read more, you can see the author. I'm going to do a little bit to present this information in the maximally useful way and do a little bit of styling here. But as you can see, that's a really long review. I'm going to have to pick a good one for this screencast. A nice, short one. There we go. Nice short review of Chevron. Anyway, that's Citizens Market. That's what we're doing.